actually the sugarcane from the farm. So this machine you see here, this is the driver which drives this tractor, which pulls the others when they get stuck. Now they are tensioning the cane so that they don't fall when they are on the road. So this is called tensioning. So it needs a lot of manpower. These are the people who are operating the tractors which are carrying cane. Thank you guys. I wish you all the best. Have a safe journey. One tractor is arriving now and it's coming to collect cane again. We are still expecting about 15 more tractors of these in the course of the day to come and collect. So those ones are going to load, and they are going to load from the other side.